ikurikiye 63 ndakeka ni 63 ari ko mbitekereza ya tangire hakuno mwibukara bari gushaka umushoferi wari utwaye Steven umunsi biriya byose byabaga ninjoro Yamani na Liya nibo bari kumushaka hakuno Shano Ebe
Calm down.
Tuza ariko mwana Yamani ajana bayabwanutse
Yet again, if you may.
Nagongera ngukomange se Ongera sona hakuno
Open up!
Fungura mukigo Yamani
Calm down.
Tuza ariko gabanya imijinya Yemwe ba
Hello, miss.
We're looking for that fish Simon
turi gushaka ikigoryi cy'igishoferi gitoya
Come on.
So Yamani what?
Like he's not home.
Shama
Guys, ndabasuhuza kabisa ku bantu badukurikira kuri YouTube channel yacu. Icyo nagusaba cyane ni ukanda subscribe. Okay guys, baba ngo video yanyu ntago irangiye iraje ikomeze. Ahubwo na publicity kato tuba tugiye gucisha. Icyo ngiye kukubwira murabona abantu muri kureba filime, abantu bamukeneye iyi filime ko nyibahereza yose duhere kuri episode ya mbere ikaza yuzuye ari season yose na episode yose itakataguye. Nyandikira kuri WhatsApp fata nomero muri screen. Hari igihe waba ushaka n'indi filime wabuze ariko ukaba warayibuze cyangwa ukaba ushaka filime runaka. Nta kabuza ugomba kuza ukatugana ku giciro gito cyane turaguhereza filime hamwe na
basisi muri iki gihe harimo urubyiruko rwabatswe n'ibiyobyabwenge indwara zidakira zibasiye abantu ndetse n'amakimbirane yo mu miryango hari uwaje nk'igisubizo kuri ibyo byose byavuzwe haruguru ninde akora iki akorera he yitwa muganga Nzito akorera mu karere ka Nyamasheke ariko aho waboherereye hose ku isi akugezaho imiti icyo ugomba gukora ni ukumuhamagara mukivuganira niba uri muri diaspora wigira ikibazo wowe muhamagare gusa muvugane aguha inama z'ubuzima kandi aguhe n'imiti muravugana ku buryo umuti uri bukugereho ukavurwa kandi ugakira ni muganga gakondo w'inzobere mu kuvura akoresheje ibimera afite umuti aguha wari warabatswe n'itabi ugahiturira burundu kandi wabizi ko itabi ishobora kukwica atanga umuti ku bakobwa babuze imihango n'abajya mu mihango ntikame avura amarozi y'amahuherano amategano ndetse n'amatamikano atanga umuti w'uruhereko avura karande n'inyatsi nyabingi n'imitsiriko atanga umuti wongera akanyabugabo ndetse akanatanga umuti wongera amavangingo ku bagore atanga umuti wa diabete uw'umwijima uwa hepatite A na hepatite B atanga umuti ku bafite umubyibuho ukabije ndetse n'abananutse cyane atanga umuti ku bafite ibiro byinshi bashaka kubigabanya ndetse n'abafite ibiro bike bashaka kongera ibiro atanga umuti n'ubujyanama ku bafite amakimbirane yo mu miryango agufasha kugarura ibyawe byibwe akanaguha ubujyanama butuma ubana n'abandi neza mu kazi ndetse no kugira igikundiro mu nshuti zawe umwihariko kuri uyu muganga nuko igihugu cyose waba uherereyemo ku isi akugezaho umuti ushobora kwibaza uti umuganga ushobora gukura ubuzima bwawe mu kaga akakugarura umugore wawe wagutaye ntabwo ahenda igisubizo ni oya ugereranyije umuti aguha n'amafaranga make y'umuha ntaho bihuriye kuva aka kanya ugiye kwicuza impamvu wowe n'inshuti zawe mutamenye uyu muganga mbere hamagara iyo nimero namara kukuvura urahita wicuza impamvu utamumenye mbere ushobora kumuhamagara kuri call isanzwe cyangwa kuri WhatsApp aboneka amasaha 24 kuri 24 muganga Nzito igisubizo ku buzima bwawe n'ubw'inshuti
kuri numvishije nuko nawe uri sawa urakoze mukecuru urakoze kubitubwira icire ikomereza Yamani afite umushiya n'umujinya ari gutonganya abantu bose nta kibazo bafitanye
Seeing you again.
Yumva
Doesn't work.
shiyo mijinya n'ubundi nakiri bukora
Come on, dear.
umva se sheri wanjye
About if you go home.
ubundi wagiye mu
To
rugo
wait here all night.
uranegereza ijoro ryose ngo bitagenda
Play with you.
cye ntago ngusa
Yeah.
aho ujya hose turajya hanyuma
I'm not going anywhere.
nkubwiye ko nta hantu undi buke tutari kumwe ikindi kibazo ufite ni ikihe Yamani umushoferi baramubuze ngo ntawe urimo kinga hakuno Yamani yarakaye timishiya n'imijinya utamenyana ari guturumbura kumbe uko bari kwivugishwa gutyo umushoferi arimo hano ahubwo aba yabihoreye yipoweye gake gake umushoferi nta hantu agiye wa mushoferi wa Steven arimo hakuno byarabaye akana ko duheruka kasindiye mu kabari ni kakarira
Are you okay? Come.
meze neza
Come.
tuza ariko tuza
So dizzy. Look at me. Look at me.
ndeba
You're okay.
ndeba umeze neza
Why did you drink so much?
ubundi kuki wiyahuje amayoga
Okay, come on.
umva
Let's get out. He'll be fine. Come on, Caesar.
reka dusohoke uraza kumera neza siza we kayiza hakuno basohora akangaka ni kakarira Ebe.
Oh, goodness.
Hakuno mubari. Cyiza.
Come over here.
Gino.
Down.
Wa mubari tenda ari hakuno.
Right here. Yeah.
Chara.
We'll take a coffee.
Musa adwaika.
We don't have that.
What do you mean?
Naka tugira gute naka
You
mukira.
did this to her. Now you
Mwamuzindishije.
get her a soda.
Shaka icuzana nishaka bari soda ariko imuvane muri aya mayoga mwamunywesheje.
Come on.
Kira.
Okay.
Alex,
Bari tenda.
get down here.
Umusa ngwino hano kumva ari yanjye. Mushiki we ndabona ari ibisozi. Kumbe barakwereka hakuno Natali nawe. Hakuno. Amaye amazi yo kunywa. Cyataza amazi Steven abari kumuha. Abayavanze mu tuntu utamenya abari kumuvangiramo imiti zakamatogisi zimwe zisinziriza nk'inzovu cyangwa nk'imbogo. Ibyo abari kumwongereramo. Mu magambo make Steven ntago ashaka ko uyu mugore akanguka. Ntabyo ashaka. Arongera amushyiriramo hano. Hakuno rimwe asaba amazi cyataza amazi abari kunywa Steven aba yayarunze. Aba yamushyiriyemo ibindi bintu. Ariko impamvu Steven aba abishyiramo nta yindi nuko azi ko uyu mugore akangutse yahita amwirukana muri iyi nzu n'ubundi.
You've worked up quite a thirst.
Akumenya ukanguka ufite icyaka. Steven wamuginga.
What are you still doing here?
Uracyakora iki hano muri iyi nzu?
No way.
Genda tumuka. Tumuka Steven. Genda ariko.
I'm not gonna leave my family in this state.
Ntabwo ndibuze gusiga umuryango wanjye muri mu bibazo bingana gutya. Noneho by'umwihariko umeze gutyo soka. Steven wamukingiye tumuka. Arongera arahwera. Nta mbaraga. Aba yumva umubiri wose wacitse imbaraga ameze nk'urwaye ibinya. Kumbe icyo atazi Steven niwe uba wamuvangiye. Florida wari uri hehe?
Okay.
Sawa.
You okay?
Ibintu bimeze sawa.
My father.
Papa wanje.
Did you give Natalie tranquilizers?
Ese nataramuhaye imiti musinziriza.
But I suppose Selena may have given her a few drops.
Oya ntayo muhaye ariko ndakeka Selena ashobora kuba yayimuhaye kumbe nawe arayimuhaye arayimwongeye.
The children are fighting again.
Babana barimo kurwana nanone sibyo buriya.
Just leave all the medicine to me.
Ibintu by'imiti muke mubindekira banije uyimwihe.
I'm the nurse here.
Kubera ko nije muganga usigaye hano sibyo.
Alex and your mom are fighting again.
Alex na Yamani bari kurwana ni mama bahangayikiye abana be nubwo ameze nabi. Wigira ikibazo.
No more.
Ntago bizongera.
No more.
Ntago bizongera kabisa.
Since he's already gone, right?
Cyane ko Yamani yagiye sibyo ushaka kuvuga.
My father coming.
Hakuno.
Is he coming? My dear.
Princess, you must
Igarukire hakuno.
know
Gikomangoma.
know what we should do, don't you?
Ufite byose kandi tugomba kugira icyo
You
tubikora
can
sibyo.
finally tell them everything you know.
Tujya kuri polisi ubabwira ibintu uzi byose.
What are you talking about?
Se mwarasaze muri kuvuga ibiki?
Please? Why would I tell the police?
Kuri polisi sijya kubabwira ibiki?
Hey, now just leave me alone.
Cyemu ndeke je nyumva ariko wagashya nowe.
I'm sorry for your loss. We know you're grateful.
Turabizi kuri mu cyunamo cyo kubarabuze sogokuru wawe.
We're happy to.
Ariko natwe cyo kudufasha.
Please don't force me.
Reka kwigira gutyo ubidufashemo.
Killed your grandfather.
Uje kubwira polisi byabaye kuri sogokuru wawe cyane kubizi bakumvishe kavuga yuko kabizi ko sari wa.
Hey, slow down.
Bagenda gake.
Speak up, Carla, please.
Alice.
Sekarira bwarekewe.
Step away.
We muje kure yiwe. Alex afaye. Alex.
Come on, we're going home.
Bino dutahe.
She's not going anywhere.
Nta hantu muri bujane. Reka kuva ryarise. Akana ko kipanga akazi ngo ni ka Alice ko kuntu gabura Steven.
Father, and Carla knows about it.
Karira arabizi yuko swari woshe sogokuru wanyu.
Listen to her.
Yasinze ibyavuga byose n'ubundi ntago byakwemerwa.
Carla.
Karira.
Don't listen to him. You're not
mwumva ratoye kumva umuvandimwe ngwino tugende. Kigwaryo ntukavuge mushiki wanjye. Bamukura amenyo.
What gives you the right to talk to my sister like that?
Kigwaryo uvugana na mushiki wanjye gutyo nkandi wewe waririmbye.
You never did now, did you, Alice? You don't care, right?
Ako bisa nkaho utabyitaye. Ubyitaye Alice.
Tell your men to get Carla and take her home.
Come, Carla.
Kalila ngwino tugende. Musa abwira abasore bawe bajyane Kalila mu rugo bamucyura. Kalila bamucana. Mucana. Sigaye hakuno.
Take your punk friend.
Vana ibyo binono byawe ufate kiriya kigoryi cy'iwanyu gicyura.
From me that you do. I swear to God I'll kill him.
Piss off.
Cyangwa nzacishe zitumuka ariko wawe muginga. Kalila afite na Emily Alice afite ukuntu haburamo Alex agatuza.
Leave her alone, asshole.
Kigoryi ndekera mushiki wanjye sindongera kumumenya. Nyera nanjye tujyanye imari z'iwanyu ndekera iz'iwacu nanjye. Akebo nigera ciye mushiki wanjye nanjye reka nyuru wanjye. Kinga.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
Umeze neza nako meze neza.
Bastard and his bastard father.
Kiriya kigoryi cyo nase nzabica. Kandi muzamubibona je nzabica umunsi umwe.
Nice. Now the police show up.
Kiza nuko polisi.
So the game is over. Come on, we're leaving.
Here, go.
Alice, please.
Ngwino tugende. Genda
Oh,
wenyine.
okay?
Genda ariko ndakwiyamiye. Genda. Tumuka nimba ushaka kugenda genda.
God damn it.
Zisubira mu kabari ni Alice. Zisubira mu kabari cyo kwisomera rimwe. Bari kumusohora mu kabari n'icyaka n'inyota yishe. Bakiga kuba shoferi hakuno. Shoferi adacari hakuno wa mushoferi wa Steven.
What if we're too late? What if he already ran away?
Hasi mwana dore bwije wasanga ubundi shoferi yaratorotse yaragiye byaranarangiye.
It's not that you're too slow.
We ntabwo turatinda hano ku buryo dufata umwanzuro nimba yaratorotse yaragiye cyangwa iki.
You do your best.
Uri gukora icyo ushoboye mwana. Kiraho. Telefone karasonye.
Hello, Miss Lawyer?
Kiego madamazera mwavoka.
That's right.
Kiego.
My father was with my mother.
Papa Angela ari kumwe na
There
mama.
were photos in the press.
N'amafoto yasohotse mu
And the
binyamakuru.
journalist.
Cyane pereka ngo nimero y'umunyamakuru wa byane.
I'm fine with getting in touch with him. Well, Alex and I were fighting at my dad's house.
Cyena Alex twari turimo dutonganira iwacu kwa papa.
So there was no body.
Bivuze ngo nta murambo wari uhari.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you so much for the call.
Urakoze kumpamagara. Iki?
What?
Ibikize.
Seems
Bisa nkaho.
my grandpa died between 9 p.m. and midnight.
Bisa nkaho sogokuru yapfuye hagati ya saa 3 z'ijoro na saa 6.
Case.
Niba ari ibyo rero.
He didn't die in the house.
Ntabwo yapfiriye muri iriya nzu kwa papa.
Brought there.
Barahamuzanye ahubwo bamuzanye ari umurambo.
What now?
So now,
None iki?
tomorrow,
Bivuze
I
ngo
will be released.
ejo papa bazamurekura kuko ntabwo sogokuru yapfiriye hariya. Siwe wamwishe.
That's good news.
Ayo ni amakuru meza.
Yes,
Yego.
but I'm not going to rest until I've found the real killer.
Ubundi sinzigera ntuza ntaramenya umwicanyi wa nyawe wishe sogokuru.
Rhea.
Nuko bigomba kumera Leah.
My grandfather is dead.
Sogokuru wanjye
At
yarapfuye.
this rest.
Rero ntabwo nagenda ngo
Won't allow Stephen any peace.
ntabwo nareka Steven Ngabe wo mu mahoro ntabwo bibaho. Gute se kandi yaramwishe bizi neza. Steven. Kumbe Steven hakuno nawe. Do. Steven hano do. Fata isosi akabanza akaminjiramo ibintu utamenya. Byo kugaburira nde uyu mugore ntabwo ashaka ko uyu mugore akanguka. Kuko aramutse akangutse yahita anamwirukana muri iyi nzu ibintu byose bigasubira ku murongo ariko Steven ntabwo ashaka ko kanguka.
So out of it. Surely you remember when she lost Ali.
Urabyibuka ubushize ubwo yaburaga ari n'ubundi yabaga ameze gutya. Bisa nkaho yari muri depression cyangwa muri shock rukaba.
So,
Bize ko mwako gasosi nakanguka.
I know you're upset.
Ndabizi wararaze.
She's always been like this.
Ariko urabizi karuka hora.
She can't handle loss.
Ntago ajya abasha kwihanganira guhomba ikintu mu buzima. Ntanswe ubu yahombye papa we.
she'll pull through with our support.
ariko araza kubinyuramo nitumuba hafi nta kibazo. Kiriya agatelefone karasona, gusa mwibuke twebwe tumaze kubibona ko ari we bamuvanjemo imiti. Yego sotse yitaba telefone aba yamuvangiye amushyiremo ibiki n'ibiki. Sho
Yes, I'm listening.
yego ndakumva.
Mr. Steven.
What is it?
The police report is out.
Yego Mr. Steven,
Forensics.
raporo ya polisi ivuye muri forensic yasohotse.
PM at the previous night.
Bisa nkaho
Before the body was found.
umusaza yari yapfuye ijoro ryari ryatambutse, umurambo bakawuzana muri iriya nzu nyuma.
It wasn't in George Aiden's house.
Rero bivuze ngo ntabwo ari George Aiden wafashe ubwo bamusangaga mu nzu ye. Inzu yatangiye kwiruka. Steven yafunguye butu y'imodoka ye, asangamo umurambo.
Let's get this inside. What's going to happen now?
None ubwo biraza kugenda bite?
Prove where he was at that night.
He will be released by the court.
iriya joro nibamara kubona ko atari ahari mu gitondo baramurekura.
Keep me updated.
Ukomeze umpa amakuru, ukomeze umpa amakuru. Sibyo, ukomeze umpa amakuru atariho ivumbi wowe. Hakuno Alex hano nawe yamusanze mu bwiherero bw'abagabo. Iki urakora iki hano? Ako Alex wikiza.
You'll apologize.
Uje kunsaba imbabazi
And what's your condolences?
cyangwa uje kumfata mu mugongo cyangwa uje kunshinyaguza? Kimwe muri ibyo ni igiki?
You always fly off the handle. Then Alice comes and punishes you. And you like it.
Iteka ryose wakoze
No.
ubwo ry'ubushaka Alice aba haraza guhane.
No, but like
Amagambo make ni uri kwivuga mbe mpari nze nguhane. Iki
cheeky.
uzikunda abantu nkamwe babita
You know what I do with cheeky people?
abanyamanyanga. Uzi abanyamanyanga ikintu mbakorera njyewe.
Do you not stab them, Alice dear?
I'll make them my dogs, Alex dear.
bagira nk'imbwa zanjye Alex sheri wanje. Bagomba kubishyura nanjye nkabahemukira.
If I want to. But I don't want to anyway.
Ari gushwanira mu bwiherero bw'abagabo karakaye.
You've been talking about love here and there.
Ahantu hose baba bavuga urukundo aha na hariya.
Are you a man to fall in love with?
Ntago uri umuntu nagira mu rukundo. Reka reka barakubeshye.
Your love for me is like dogs, Alice dear.
Umva se nkubwira akantu Alice sheri wanje. Urukundo nkunda urumva nta kintu warukora nta nubwo warukwepa. Njye ngukunda. Njye ngukunda wakigura. Kubita urutwa kuno cyewe. Uyu bundi niwe ushoboye Alex kabisa. Kubita urutwa kuno mu kirahure.
What was that?
Biriya byari ibiki? Arasara.
Read it. Like a dog would. That I didn't leave you there that day. I wish I had left you.
Ubundi ndifuza ko wa munsi ngutera icyuma nakabaye naragutaye hariya ukahapfira singutabaza.
My condolences, by the way.
Eko hagati aho ngufashe mu mugongo kubw'urupfu rwa sogokuru wanyu mwagize. Ko kigwa ryu. Iyo ngutahari uriya munsi ubundi nibyo byari kuba ari sawa byibura. Yarasama bitwara iki bitanga iki akomye bereka hano mu mbari.
Wait,
We buretse muko
girl.
musa wa mu baritenda wabo.
Are you calling to a dog?
We ni imbwa yawe uri guhamagara usifura uko ushaka.
But I recognize you.
Umva ndakwibuka.
I'm Theo, the owner.
Jabanyita Theo ni.
You remember the place you sang in?
Uribuka ka kabari uheruka kuririmbiramo
I own that too.
we na Alex nako
And
nakanje.
later, when the boys told me, I watched it from the record.
Abasore barambwiye ngo waririmbye neza njya kureba video. Sanga uririmba neza pe.
So
None ikize.
maybe you could perform here.
Ntabwo akazi nyamara ukajya uza ukanaririmba karawoke hakuno.
Talk.
Shyira hakuno ikarita wenda twazavugana ukajya uza hano ugakora ikirako ugatera ikirako ukaririmba karawoke. Nabwiye ko ufite ijwi
She
uyarayimwaho.
doesn't.
Baramutimbuye yapfuye ntabyo azakora uyu mukobwa.
We'll talk later.
rata turaza kuvugana